Hello, welcome to my channel. If there's one recipe that's synonymous with comfort and flavor, it's mac and cheese. But forget about that boring or heavy version. Today I'm going to show you the perfect way to prepare a creamy, irresistible, and super easy mac and cheese, with simple tricks that make all the difference. So get your ingredients ready, give me a like, and subscribe to the channel, because this recipe will win you over from the first bite. Ingredients for 2 servings. 250 grams of elbow macaroni. 250 grams of grated cheddar cheese. 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. 2 tablespoons of butter. 500 milliliters of whole milk. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Grated nutmeg to taste. 100 grams of Parmesan cheese. We start by cooking 250 g of elbow macaroni in a large pot with boiling water and a teaspoon of salt. The key here is not to overcook it. The pasta should be al dente, firm enough to absorb the sauce without getting too soft, so be sure to follow the pasta manufacturer's instructions. Once the pasta is ready, drain it and set it aside. Now, our next step, we're going to prepare the creamiest cheese sauce of your life. In a saucepan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat and, once it's completely melted, add 2 tablespoons of wheat flour. Stir constantly for 1 minute, until it forms a slightly golden cream. This process, called a roux, is what will ensure that the sauce is smooth and thick, without lumps. Now, slowly add 500 milliliters of milk, stirring constantly to dissolve the flour and ensure a smooth sauce. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, until it thickens and has a velvety texture. And this is where the magic happens. Turn off the heat and add 250 g of grated cheddar cheese. Stir well until the cheese melts completely and transforms the sauce into a creamy and irresistible mixture. To balance the flavors, add half a teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of grated nutmeg, optional, but it makes all the difference. And adjust the salt if necessary. Now all that's left is to combine everything. Mix the cooked pasta with the sauce, stirring well to ensure that every little piece of pasta is coated in this delicious cream. At this point, you're ready to serve and enjoy an incredibly creamy mac and cheese. But if you want to take the recipe to the next level, follow this last step. Transfer the mac and cheese to a baking dish, sprinkle a layer of grated Parmesan cheese on top and bake in a preheated oven at 392 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, or until a crispy, golden crust forms on top. This detail creates that perfect contrast between the creamy cheese and the crispy topping. And that's it. Your perfect mac and cheese is on the table, ready to be devoured. Now tell me, are you going to make this recipe today? Leave a comment below to let me know what you think, and if you want more amazing recipes like this, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss anything. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.